Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our series Focus 4, today we'll concentrate on 4 words: numeral, notice, order, plane. So let's start with the first word, numeral. N-U-M-E-R-A-L, numeral. Numeral number, Roman numeral. Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. Example of Roman numerals are, if you take the sign of X, that is, it is 10. X is equivalent to 10. C equals to 100. D equals to 500 in the Roman numerals. The numeral 46 is made of 2 digits, 4 and 6. The numeral 9 is made of 1 digit, only 9. So a single digit also can be a numeral. The second word is notice. Notice something. Notice board. Take notice. Short notice. Legal notice. Sorry for the short notice, team, but we have a meeting in 2 hours. Boss, that's better than a meeting without notice. Raj, did you read the notice on the bulletin board? No, I'll go and read it. Tom did notice what Hardy was wearing. The third word is order. O-R-D-E-R, order. Money order. On order. Purchase order. Take order from. Place an order. The waiter took our order. I put in an order for pizza. The food is made to order. The books are in alphabetical order. I have ordered a book from Amazon.com. This coffee machine is out of order. That means it's not working. I am saving money in order to travel abroad. Tia put her room in order. The last word is plain. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Plain clothes, plain water, plain paper, plain and honest person. Plain English, no technical terms. It's plain and simple English. So when we talk about plain here, plain means very simple in character, very simple in design, or it's plain totally. There's no pattern in that. Anuj is a plain and honest person. When we talk about clothes, plain is without a pattern. Sakshi took a plain pink sari, only one color. Richa is a plain round-faced woman. That means she is ordinary, not very beautiful, not very attractive. Other plain is P-L-A-I-N, plain, a place that is clearly visible or seen. High mountains rise above the plain. The Gangetic Plain is an area of fertile soil. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and be happy always.